give this to everybody. What is it about love that you were not careful about in the past? I love your question, Alex. What is it about love that you were not careful about in the past? Max, ikaw na mauna.
Kanina, Mac.
Since ikaw yung single.
Uy, si Kat single din. Talaga to si Luis.
I think the one thing that I wasn't careful with, at least in relationship, which was also 10 years by the way.
Ooh, happy anniversary.
Sa movie natin, I think what I was least careful about was not being mindful of my partner's love language. Kasi there's a certain way we express ourselves, diba, to show our love to someone. And there's a certain way we choose to receive it. So I think that was what I was least careful about. Because there was a certain way that I wanted to receive it. So I wasn't careful in accepting the way he would show it. That makes sense.
Max, ang ganda. I love it. Importante yon, love language.
Hindi makita to.
Understanding love language. How to receive and give. Luis, ikaw.
Ako siguro, before I was, a bit selfish na in terms of sa ugali ko, kung yung sa mga past relationships ko, sasabihin ko, hindi, ganito ko, you have to accept it eh. Hindi, pero in terms of yung real relationship, dapat hindi ganun eh. Dapat hindi yung parang, kung ganito lang ako, dapat tanggapin mo. It's always, parang teamwork parate. So, always think na to be a better person dun sa taong mahal mo.
Ian?
I think my point kanina na sobrang ganda, which was loving somebody even when they choose things that you would not choose. Like yung version nila na hindi necessarily the exact of what you have in your mind, but like you have to love them regardless. So I think that's awesome, and I'm very excited to see the movie.
Kat?
Something that I wasn't careful with in love before was I always used to see love as such a sacrifice for the other person. Na siguro sa pagka-giving ng personality ko, I forgot to give to myself. So a certain sense of a loss of self, a loss of priority of self, knowing when to withdraw, channel kong mag-give.
Ganda. Tere, kasama ka? Yes, of course.
Nasa script na lang.
So, sa'yo to, kwento mo to, gano'n.
Hindi. Hindi, siguro, basta dapat yung pag-ibig hindi siya hinahabol.
Ooh! Love that. Dapat ang pag-ibig hindi hinahabol. Galing.
Nakaalam ko yan, direct ko hinahabol ko dun sa
Jeep. Yan na. Jericho.
Dati kasi lagi ako nagpapalibre. Hindi ko na naiintindihan na kailangan pala magbayad din ako pag kumakain kami. Good job lang.
Naipon eh.
No. I love eating though, no. But I think the one thing is that I love giving and giving and giving. Kasi dati kasi may idea ako kung ano dapat yung pag-ibig. Coming from broken family, di ba? So may idea ka na dapat ganito, ganyan, ganito yung gusto kong maging, ayoko maging ganyan. So meron akong ideas kung paano ang relationship, paano magmahal. So ngayon, ang nangyari doon, hindi na ako natutong makinig. So nakalimutan kong makinig. Nakala ko, bigay ka lang, yan ginagawa mo, very sacrificial. Bigay ka ng bigay, hindi ka na nakikinig. Ano pala yung gusto ng mahal mo? Parang yung love language din, di ba? Ito pala yung gusto niya. Ganito pala niya gustong mahalin siya. Yun. Ngayon nakikinig na ako. Nalilibre na ako.
Galing. Ganda nun. Yung pa rin ang ending, libre pa rin. And what is it about love that you were not careful about in the past?
Siguro it's when you probably you end up loving so much that you don't take time to take a step back and see if you're being loved the same way in return. Because when you're in love, you have those glasses on, and you're just thinking like this is the perfect situation, but in fact you need to have a reality check from time to time and see like, wait lang, ako lang ba yung lover dito? Kailan kaya magiging the loved one?
This is what I like about this movie ngayon pa lang. It's so relatable. I think everybody in this mall can relate to it. So, that wraps up our Q&A. Maraming salamat sa ating mga friends of the press for sharing their questions. Let me call back our Mother Beep card. Asan ang ating Mother Beep